You work hard, you hustle, you try to do everything right, but somehow every month it still feels like you're stuck, like you're running on a treadmill, moving but not going anywhere. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And more importantly, it's not because you're lazy, it's because of habits. Today, we're breaking down the 7 money habits that silently keep you poor and how to fix them before it's too late. Let's start. Habit number 1, waiting to make enough money to save. Most people say, I'll start saving when I earn more. But here's the truth. You don't save because you have money. You have money because you save. If you wait for the perfect income, the perfect time, the perfect moment, you'll wait forever. Start small, even $10 a week. Saving isn't about the amount, it's about the identity. You become someone who pays yourself first. Habit number 2, chasing luxury instead of value. We live in a world designed to make you feel behind. New phone, new car, better clothes. Everyone looks successful online. But most of that lifestyle, it's financed. Many people are buying things they don't need with money they don't have to impress people who don't care. Before you buy something, ask yourself one question. Do I need this or do I want approval? Wealth is built quietly. Status is rented loudly. Habit number 3, living with high interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, buy now, pay later. They feel small in the moment, but interest doesn't sleep. If your card charges 20 or 25% interest, that's not just a bill, that's financial quicksand. The longer you stand still, the deeper you sink. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first. Every dollar of interest you eliminate is guaranteed return on your money. Habit number 4, having no budget or a fake budget. A budget is not punishment, it's power. Most people either don't track their money or they create a budget they never follow. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Give every dollar a job. Housing, food, savings, investing, even fun. When you control your money on paper, you start controlling your life in reality. Habit number 5, ignoring emergency savings. Life will happen. The car will break down. The unexpected bill will show up. A job situation might change. If you don't have an emergency fund, one problem turns into a crisis. 3 to 6 months of expenses is the goal. Start small if you need to, but build that financial umbrella so when it rains, you don't drown. Habit number 6, believing in get-rich-quick traps. The internet is full of promises. Make $10,000 in a week. Quit your job in 30 days. Secret investment strategy. If it sounds too easy, it usually is. Real wealth is slow. It's consistent investing. It's disciplined saving. It's learning and improving year after year. The boring path is the winning path. Habit number 7, having no financial plan. Most people drift. They wake up, earn, spend, repeat. No goals, no direction, no clear destination. Imagine getting in a car and just driving without knowing where you're going. That's how most people handle money. Write down 3 goals. 1 short-term goal, 1 mid-term goal, 1 long-term goal. Then ask yourself, what action can I take this week to move closer? Money isn't about being lucky, it's about being intentional. Let's recap. Save before you feel ready. Choose value over status. Crush high-interest debt. Use a real budget. Build an emergency fund. Ignore get-rich-quick traps. Create a plan and follow it. You don't need a 6-figure income to build wealth. You need strong habits. Change your habits and your bank account will eventually follow. The question is simple. Which habit are you going to break first? Because your financial future doesn't change someday. It changes the moment you decide to think differently about money. Start today.